nice evening. Natasha off tonight. Joseph is here, and Joseph, you say the rain will be here by early morning?
Yeah, I think about 5 or 6 a.m.
Okay.
probably, yeah. So if you have that routine, maybe go for a walk or you let the dog out in the morning, I would be prepared for a little bit of rain.
All right.
Yeah, it's going to be kind of a soggy day, especially for the first part of the day, but the second part of the day is up in the air just a little bit, meaning I think that we could have some breaks in the action as we head into the afternoon, about midday beyond. And although we have some cloud coverage here, it might be possible that we even have a couple sun breaks or a little slice of blue out there in the sky for the afternoon and maybe to wrap up the evening. All right, temperatures though, they'll probably be right around the upper 50s for tomorrow. We still have that strong south wind, and at times that wind might even crank to about 25 miles per hour in the valley. So that will help keep things slightly warmer. All right, so we have high pressure down to the south, and it's important because it's kind of allowing for things to ride right over the top of it, and that is exactly what's going on with this system right here. And as it does approach the Pacific Northwest, we'll start to see that moisture. It's going to begin there along the Oregon coast, and of course it will kind of make its way and track through the state as we go through the morning and into the afternoon. Now once that front kind of passes on by, then things will slow down a little bit, and I do anticipate a little bit of a rain shadow for parts of the valley in central Oregon. So yeah, confidence level is really high for tomorrow. I am expecting it to be a wet day, a bit damp, and I expect it to be the wettest day that we've seen so far this April. But then we have a little bit of dry time on Thursday. It's not going to be much. And then Friday through the weekend, it looks like we have some more opportunities to collect some rain, and we'll take it because it's been very dry so far for this April. All right, I'll take you through the FUTURECAST here. Here's the timing of this. We get to early tomorrow morning. Notice that we do have some light rain pushing into areas of Portland. So it still might be some time. It's fair game right around 6 a.m. or so. The heaviest of that rain is going to definitely be for about the central Oregon coast. It's going to begin the day like that, and then that deeper moisture will push through parts of the valley as well. I'll pause it here about midday because notice that we have all this action over the Cascade Range. This is going to be the heaviest rain at that point in time, but we start to see that rain shadow forming here for the valley and then for central Oregon. So it's going to take a little more action to get that rain for you folks there in central Oregon, but I think you'll get that for the morning and probably parts of your afternoon. But right here, look at that. So our rain totals tomorrow are probably going to be slightly lower than what we've been expecting maybe the last day or two. All right, Thursday we still have some lingering moisture, but I think the valley should be dry. We'll probably hold most of that to the north or to the east. And then Friday, come on, like we get another system rolling in towards Friday, and that might bring in a couple rain showers as well. So it is going to get a little wet. As far as the weather models go, we have 4 different weather models here, and they're kind of bouncing all over the place. But I'm favoring the lower end here, number 3 and possibly number 1 there, where will be somewhere about 1/4 of an inch to pushing maybe 1/2 an inch for some locations. All right, so the wettest days so far have been very lackluster. There hasn't been much at all. I mean, Saturday was our wettest day so far this month, and we didn't even see 1/10 of an inch. And notice that number 2 and 3 coming in there were back in April 1st and 2nd. So it's just been very dry for us. Hopefully we do not fall on this list of the top 5 driest years. See most of those back in the 1950s, 40s, 60s. And, it's possible if we don't see much to wrap up the month, we might fall on that list. But hopefully tomorrow's system will help boost us a little bit. All right, Thursday and Friday, look at that. Temperatures in the 60s, some isolated showers, mainly dry on Thursday. By Saturday, yeah, it looks like another rain event rolling on in the mid-60s, and that will continue on into about Monday. One thing I am noticing, though, maybe next week, temperatures boosting back to the 70s and maybe the mid-70s. So it's going to be a little bit cooler this week with some rain, and that will begin tomorrow morning.
That's okay. Like you said, it's been a dry April. We need the rain, Joseph.
Yeah.
All right. Talk to you in a few. Just